Hello everyone, welcome to Study Tonight. In this video, we'll learn about overview of C language. That is our topic for today. And let's get started with it. So this is the overview of C. It is a structured programming language. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1973 at Bell Laboratories. It is one of the most popular computer languages today because of its structure, high-level abstraction, machine-independent feature. By machine-independent, we mean that it can be the programs written in the C language can be run on any of the operating system. Then C language was developed to write the Unix operating system. Hence, it is strongly associated with Unix, now which is one of the most popular networking operating system in use today, as it is open source operating system and it is also the heart of internet data superhighway. So we'll go to the next slide, and it is history of C language. So how it was developed and how it was evolved from three different structured languages, that is LGOL, BCPL, and B language. It uses many concepts from these languages while introduced many new concepts such as data types, struct, pointer, etc. Now, in 1988, the language was formalized by American National Standard Institute, that is ANSI. In 1990, a version of C language was approved by the ISO committee, that is International Standard Organization, and that version of C is also referred to as C89. Now, the idea behind creating C language was to create an easy language, which requires a simple compiler and enable programmers to efficiently interact with the machine system. The language just provide us the simple features that we can write simple programs in basically our English language, just like machine instructions. Now, C language compiler converts the readable C language program into machine instruction. So what happened when we write any program, we simply first compile it. What does a compiler do? A compiler converts the basic code which we have written in our English language into the language which is understandable by the computer, right? And that is also done in one go. Now, how it was developed? So, in 1960, the first ALGOL language was developed by international group. Then in 1967, BCPL language was developed by Martin Richards. Then in 1970, B language was developed by Kim Thompson. Then in 1973, traditional C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie. Then in 1989, ANSI developed a C language by ANSI committee. Then in 1990, ISOC or ANSI developed the language that is there by, and it is approved by ISO committee. So why it is so popular? Why C language is so popular? So C language is a very good language to introduce yourself to the programmer's world, as it is a simple procedural language which is capable of doing wonders. Procedural, by procedural we means that a program written is simply executed from first to the last statement. First will be executed first, and then second, then fourth, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth. Then programs written in C language takes very less time, same as assembly language instructions to execute, and almost execute at the speed of assembly language instructions only. Now, initially, C language was mainly used for writing system level programs like designing operating system, but there are other applications as well which can be very well designed and developed using C language, like text editors, compilers, network drivers, etc. Now, it is there that most of the compilers are written in the C language only. Now, which is the latest version of C? The current latest version of C language is C11, which was introduced in 2011. It is the latest version. It is supported by all the standard C language compilers. Now, there are some features which are introduced in this version, and overall attempt to improve compatibility of the C language with the C++ language has been made in this version. We will learn about the C11 edition once we are learning. Once we are done with the learning of C language, and towards the end of this tutorial series. So that's all for now. You can just simply, if you you like the video, you can give thumbs up, and you can visit our website also, that is studytonight.com, for more useful content related to various other programming languages. Thank you so much for today.